All right, so just to break down the trade that we took, right? We got in long right here off open print, right? And you can see, notice here on QQQ, price comes down into that 50 EMA, comes down in the end of day, and then just really hugs that 50. Buyers come in, pushing price strong, right there off the critical level, right? And then, right, look at on the 2 minute, you can see it perfect on SPY. Look at this Bayesian candle right here off open print. Right, that was a beautiful, comes down, tags the 50 EMA. Buyers come in, hold price, right? That's where we took the market long. We're currently in SPX longs at 44% return. That would be a great spot to scale out. Love you, baby. QQQ over here with the strength. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is why I love those pit numbers, dude. Like, you really can't go wrong. You get the low, you get the higher low, right? But notice the higher low. The higher low is mixed with the 50 EMA and the moving averages and the market structure. Like, you really can't, right? Like, when you're trading with these tools, you focus on the tools, right? You focus on how price is reacting to the pit number, to the critical level, to the market structure, to the moving average, right? Like, you do that, you let the market tell you, right? Like, and now at that point, my criteria has been identified, right? Like, I just said it in the beginning. I really don't like trading mornings that much, but I'm not gonna let that limit me to, you know, making money or exercising the process, right? The process is so damn important, right? So, like, you know, coming up with that repeatable approach, right? Like, that's what it's all about. You get that repeatable approach that you take no matter what. All right, so Qs, notice here, we're getting a little extended from the moving average. So, say I was in this trade on Qs. I have to be okay in my mind with a pullback to that 9D EMA, right? Like, because the moving average, like, the chances that the moving average and that price is going to come back to that moving average is extremely high, right? So I have to be okay with that, like, mentally. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to be prepared for a pullback mentally to that 9D EMA. See, I talk to a lot of traders about learning to hold, and these are the tools I use to hold my trade, the moving averages, right? Because if I see a little bit of red, I'm not going to let that scare me. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go, okay, where's my moving average at, right? And do I want to take profit? Is it too far away? Am I okay with the pullback to it, right? That's a really big, hold on. That's a really big factor. All right, we're up 48% here on SPX. Oh, wow. Beautiful move. Look at this. All right, let's see here. Now we're up 52%. Oh, man, she's cooking. She's cooking. Look at this. Beautiful move. Unbelievable, guys. Let's go. Gonna be an early one today. All right, so up 52%, 57%. Oh, damn. Oh, yo, come on. This is, yeah, what a good trade, right? Like, phenomenal trade, guys. Like, this is beautiful. This is HBT 101, critical level, market structure, and moving averages, right? That's at 68%. At this point, guys, you know, I'm just playing the market imbalance, right? Like, that's it. We're going level to level, right? Like, that's all we could do, right? And like I said earlier, once we've made the decision, oh my God, look at this. Can we make up for all of yesterday's sell-off? That would be insane. All right, we might be adding to this. There's still a lot of money here to be made. Wow, what a push. What a push. 81%. Can we get 100? All right. So once again, if anybody's in this with multiple contracts, this right here is a spot to scale out. Why? Right? Well, one, we've hit our risk reward, right? We've more than doubled it. Two, we're getting a very large move away from the moving average, right? So actually, hold on. This is not, give it a minute. Ooh, 559.30. Here we come. Let's go. Let's go. Very simple analysis, guys, right? Wasn't crazy with it. I'm at 98%. Bam. And for, I'm going to hold this until my target. But wow, that was a beautiful trade. Look at this. Look at that. Where are the sellers at? Where are the sellers at? Boom. All right, that's a 101% return. Take a snapshot of the profits. Wow. Beautiful push, guys. I hope everybody was able to get some of this. If not, don't chase it. There's always more opportunity. Great trade. Oh, dude, she's still going. All right, but now notice, trade management. We're very far away from the cloud, right? So I just took profits right there, guys. And there's a couple reasons why, right? Like, yo, look at it go. Look at it go. Target hit. Take profit and then reevaluate, right? So check this out, guys. This is a wild push. Wild push right up into our target. Unbelievable. Beautiful move right there. Beautiful move. We literally ripped. It could not have worked better. Drop in the chat. Who got it? Let's see here. Who hit it? Who hit it? Oh, that's okay. That's all good. Still, beautiful move. You get it? Who got it? Teresa, you get that? Get any of that? If not, it's okay. Stay disciplined, right? Okay, so anyone that missed it, let's talk about it. Oh, that's my boy right there. Getting it. Getting it. Okay, so even if we missed it, okay? How can we still capitalize on this, right? Well, this is what I do. So, hold on. Okay, we missed it, right? Say we missed it. What did this move tell us, right? That buyers were just in control, right? So let's bring it to SPX. SPX helps me paint the picture. This is very bullish market conditions here, right? We just ripped into this 5610. This is our next area of value, our structure. Okay. Now, what's it going to look like if and when buyers come back, right? Because now the highest probable scenario right here, if you ask me, is a pullback to the next, hold on, let me whip up Qs so I can do it on both. Oh man, nah, Qs is going to keep going at least up to 49629. So now you have to go, okay, so how can I play these candles, right? Whip out that 2 minute, right? And and then you go, okay. And well, let's break down real quick the entry I would have took on Qs. I took it on SPY. But once this candle wipes out the one in front of it, off the critical level, off the 50, guys, at this point we have to be entering. There's no reason not to enter here, right? I know what happened to me for a while is I would avoid trades you know, and then, you know, like we go through this part as traders where we're becoming disciplined, and that's very important, right? Because we can't just be impulsive. But when you see this criteria right here, off open print, off the 50, and that candle's wiping out the one in front of it, we got to get in those, right? And our stop has to be then below open print, right? At that point, we got to get in, because this is our criteria, right? Then once we're in this, then it's like, okay, we can't do anything else, right? Like one thing I used to do is I would overcomplicate the whole process, and I would be like, oh, well, you know, hold on, let me just. I would overcomplicate the process, and then I would, you know, try not to do that, right? It's very hard, you know, but at the same time, that's the criteria. On SPY, we took it right here. Same candle, right? That's going to be 946. Perfect move right up into the top. Okay, so let's talk about re-entry. I wouldn't really want to re-enter right here due to the fact the seller just defended that market structure very well, right? So we have our structure up here at 55930, right? Seller showed up, defended it. That's not saying I'm bearish, right? By any means. Buyers are still definitely in control of this. I want to see some consolidation, maybe a flag, and then the breakout of the flag with this same sort of candle. That would be my re-entry. Yeah, it looks like buyers soaking this up really good. Really good. Okay. So now we're patient. Ooh, look at this. This thing's booking, man. Okay. Well, I mean, let's see here. Oh, hold on. Let me just cut that.